What's going on, y'all? It's the Sunshine State Garden again. I know y'all missed these mangoes. Just give y'all a quick update. They're starting to finish up pretty good. These are some of the mangoes that fell on the ground that we collected, but probably can't do much with those. But mangoes are looking good. Alright, what y'all think we should do with these mangoes? Of course we're gonna eat them. Alright, y'all. Just give y'all a quick update of the mangoes. Quick update of the garden real quick. You got the nice juicy tomatoes. Something bit the strawberry. We got more tomatoes right here. That's the other plant of tomatoes. Oh, we got more over here. Look at all these tomatoes. Tomatoes everywhere. Oh, where did it go? Oh, there they go. Tomatoes right there. The sweet mint looking good. The lemon balm, the rosemary, the spearmint. All these mint smells so good, and the lemon balm is growing out of control. Look how beautiful it is. All right, y'all. Just give y'all a quick update of everything. This week we're gonna try to get this whole area straightened up. Maybe do some more transplanting. Look at the lavenders. Lavender about time to transplant this soon. Oh, it's wet, so it's... Alright, y'all. Just giving y'all a quick update. Just the Sunshine State Garden. We'll holler at y'all next time.